how to make Wix website fit all screens. So first is to open your Wix site in a web browser. Next is make sure to add a strip to your section. So to do this, just click this Add Elements icon which is found on the left side of your screen. And click on Strip, which is the fourth option, and select from any of the strips available here. So you can adjust the location of the strip by dragging this anywhere in your website. Now click this layout icon which is beside background scroll effects. So make sure to align your content properly depending on your design preference. So if your preference is centered or if you want to select left, make sure that your content does not move past this line. You can also click the stretch icon, which is this icon, and then select the fully stretched option. This will ensure that everything within your strip, no matter the content, will proportionately fit on the screen size of any device. So you will see this margin in every section of your web. So this serves as a guide on where you can put the content of your website. So make sure that your content is within these margins. Once you're done, click on the Save button, which is between Upgrade and Preview, located on the upper right corner. And so that is how you make Wix website fit all screens. Thank you and have a great day.